And while my client freely admits that she was present when the alleged assault took place, she vehemently denies being involved in any act of violence.
Yeah, well, she would, wouldn't she?
She was singled out by your recollection of a pair of gold trainers. Yes or no, Mrs. King, for the record?
That's right, yeah.
You remember these gold trainers vividly, it would seem.
Your Honor.
Move on, Mr. Beacom. The point has been established.
You remember these trainers, but not being kicked by them, or being hurt by anyone wearing them?
Yeah. I mean, no.
Which is it? The gold-colored trainers stuck in your mind, but you have no recollection of the wearer assaulting you, or touching you, or in any way making physical contact.
No.
No, indeed.
I recognized her voice. She said sorry. Why would she say sorry if she hadn't done anything?
Or perhaps an utterance of remorse at being powerless to stop what was an unarguable, horrific crime. My client has willingly made a full and frank statement to the police, not denying for one moment that she was witness to this brutal attack.
Is this amusing to them?
Don't rise to it.
We're truly sorry for what you've been through. But one miscarriage of justice cannot be righted by another. You cannot, in all conscience, find my client guilty of anything beyond being a young woman who happened to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. There is simply no credible evidence to suggest otherwise.
We've all heard how you recognize Miss Walters, both from her footwear and her voice, and how you gave a description in your first statement to the police, describing a white woman with brown hair wearing heavy makeup.
Yeah.
And could you identify that person here today in the dock? I must remind you, you are under oath, Miss King.
I can't be 100%.
No, you cannot. And there's a very good reason for that.
Police!
Because my clients
Can you just...
strongly deny
really
being
isn't
anywhere
hot.
near the Houghton District Council car park on the day of the attack. As the court will hear tomorrow when they take the stand, my clients were no longer friends with Miss Walters. After an altercation over money, which took place prior to the alleged assault. We contend that Miss Walters was indeed a witness to the attack, involved very deeply with the incident, but with another group of young women. And now she's dragged my clients into this whole sorry mess, defaming their characters and potentially ruining their lives, all because she feels ostracized from the gang after a falling out amongst friends.
Your Honor.
A malicious, premeditated, libelous attempt to pervert the course of justice.